Hi, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to manually request indexing of a URL using Google Search Console. Let's get started. First, head over to Google Search Console. Type Google Search Console in Google. Click this link. Click on Start Now. And from here, make sure you selected the right email address. And from here, select the property for which you want to add a URL. Then paste the URL here you want Google to index. Let me copy the URL, paste the URL here and press enter. So you can see URL is on Google. This means this URL is already in Google's index. If URL is not in Google's index, you will see URL is not on Google. And then you can click on request indexing to get it indexed by Google. I can still click on request indexing if I've made changes to this page. So let's click on it. This may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes to complete. So indexing request has been completed. Now this can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours or even days depending on Google's queue when Google will reindex this page. This is how you can manually add a URL in Google Search Console. You can also go to Sitemaps and submit your sitemap here, so you don't have to come here and manually submit the URLs. When you will have a sitemap, Google will be notified about a new URL and it will index it quickly. And to make the indexing even faster, you can give internal links to a new page from other index pages. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.